now that we've finished all the insulation on the roof, or as much as we can, we want to start doing the walls. But we have this running all the way along to the end of the bus, and you can see Chris over here working on the engine, trying to figure out where it ends so we can pull it all out and carry on with insulating all the walls.
All I need to do is somehow join there to there, and then we'll be all good. We'd have to rip all those pipes out.
Look at all that dirt balled up. It's finally arrived. We have our solar panel. Well, we actually have 4, and they are 375 watts each, which will give us about 1500 watts, all going up on the roof, that middle section there. And then today we are also going to be putting the wires through the roof so that we can put our lights in and get all of our sockets ready. Yeah, so that's today's mission, is power. And then we've got Josiah over here. He's building what?
My rocket ship, and now I'm gonna make something else.
You're building a rocket ship.
I already built it.
Awesome. So he'll be doing that while we're in here wiring. Yep.
Shush.
So what are we doing?
You want a USB here?
Yep. Right.
Do you want on this side?
Yep.
Probably here.
Yeah, I'd say that side. Because remember that I think the couch is coming out a little bit more on this side too.
I'll just leave it like that. And you want either side of the bed?
Definitely.
We haven't decided what we do yet.
Well, just put some in there anyway. It doesn't matter which way we put the bed. We still need USBs. Need some for Josiah's room as well?
Yeah.
USB in here. What about in the shower? I mean the bathroom.
Why would you want a USB in there?
I don't know. Don't you have anything like? Do you have like an electric razor or something that needs? Oh no, I need plugs in there though.
Yeah, we took a USB now.
Okay. What have you gone and bought? What is it?
An inverter charger.
The inverter charger has arrived.
The most expensive purchase so far.
How much was it?
Whole lot.
You don't want to tell me. I see. What's this going to do for the bus?
To allow you to have a hairdryer and a hair straightener.
Just kind of funny because on all of these videos I look like crap all the time.
Really heavy. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Plus a 150 amp MPP charger, which allows the solar system to charge the batteries. So that allows when you plug into the power, charges the batteries and gives us 230 volts on board. And this charges the battery through the solar.
That's exciting. Are you going to install it now?
No.
No.
Just looking. Oh. Alrighty. And that's it. What's this?
This is our roof. I've been busy painting. What you doing, babe? Putting new lights where? So there used to be some old ratty lights here. Chris has just replaced them with some nice new LEDs. And we've also put some lights up the top. Oh, don't know if you can see with the sun. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some more LEDs as well as around the front of the bus. What's he done around here? He has put some driving lights in. And up here as well.